Hello guys, welcome to a new series. In this series, we will learn engulfing theory in English language. We already have a different playlist for Urdu and Hindi. You can refer to the playlist to watch the engulfing theory in Hindi. In this new series, we will learn engulfing theory in English. So today's topic will be the basic information on engulfing theory, as well as we will learn simple engulfing by and simple engulfing cell. We will learn how to mark a simple engulfing by zone and a simple engulfing cell zone. So basically, engulfing theory, this theory was created by Mr. Blacksheep. This theory deals with formation of engulfing bias and engulfing cells, and we will take entries in these zones using various different confirmations. We will be taught these confirmations in upcoming classes. This strategy has high accuracy of 95%. If you master your risk management and money management, you can get high percentage of 95% accuracy using engulfing theory. So let's start today's session. The first zone we will learn in engulfing theory is engulfing by zone. In engulfing by zone, you need two types of candles. One is bearish candle and a bullish candle. You must know the meaning of what is engulfing. By literal meaning, engulfing is eating. Here, as you can see in engulfing by, a bearish candle needs to be engulfed by a bullish candle. Or you can say that a red candle needs to be engulfed by a green candle. Then we can call it an engulfing by candlestick pattern. Here is an example. You can see this red candle getting engulfed by three green candles, making it an engulfing buy zone. In this engulfing buy zone, we will search for entries and take buy entries. We only search for buy entries in an engulfing buy zone. We will learn in further classes how to take entries using various different confirmations. We have various different confirmations like hidden engulfing fail, high liquidity zone, engulfing file, plus engulfing meets engulfing. We will learn all of them in upcoming classes. But on today's topic, we will only concentrate on simple engulfing buy and simple engulfing sell. Here, as you can see, the red candle got engulfed by three green candles. Here is a different example for engulfing buy zone. Here you can see only one green candle managed to engulf complete red candle. This is also an example for engulfing buy zone. Always make sure that the complete red candle, including its body and wicks, needs to be engulfed by a green candle, not just body. Some traders consider this as engulfing buy, marking only the body. But here in this strategy, we mark the complete red candle, including its wicks as well as its body. Only when the complete red candle gets engulfed by a green candle, we call it a valid engulfing buy. I will show you some more examples for engulfing buy. Here are few examples displayed on screen. These are the examples for engulfing by zone. As you can see, in all of these examples, the complete red candle got engulfed by green candles. The complete red candle got engulfed by green candles. It doesn't matter if it takes a single green candle or multiple green candles. As long as a continuous green candle engulfs the red candle, it is a valid engulfing by. I'll show you an invalid example for engulfing by. Here this is an invalid engulfing by. As you can see, the green candle could not engulf the complete red candle. The green candle failed to engulf the red candle. So it is an invalid engulfing by. Here is a different example. The green candle could not engulf the red candle. So this is also an invalid engulfing by. Here is another example. The green candle could not engulf the red candle. For better understanding, I will draw and show it to you. Here we have a red candle. Now this is complete red candle. And for it to be called an engulfing by, we need a green candle or we need multiple green candles which completely engulf the red candle. Something like this. Now as you can see, the complete red candle got engulfed by a green candle. Now we call it an engulfing by candlestick pattern. And if you put a rectangle over it, something like this, it becomes an engulfing by zone. If you put a rectangle or a zone over a engulfing by candlestick pattern, it becomes an engulfing by zone. Now this zone will be used for searching for buy entries. When the price reaches the engulfing buy zone, we will search for buy entries and we will take buy entries. We'll take trade for buy. Here is a different example. Here two green candles managed to engulf a single red candle. This is also valid engulfing by. No guys, this is an invalid engulfing by because there is a red candle in between the green candles. So this is an invalid engulfing by. The green candles need to engulf red candles by making continuous green candles. There should not be a red candle in between. So now this becomes an invalid engulfing by. I hope you are clear with engulfing by. We will move on to next topic, which is engulfing cell. Engulfing cell is same as engulfing by zone, but it's just quite opposite. If you take for engulfing cell zone, we need a green candle which needs to get engulfed by a red candle. Now here a green candle got engulfed by a red candle, making it engulfing cell candlestick patterns. Now if you put a zone over it, something like this, now this is an engulfing cell zone. This zone will be used for cell entries. When price reaches this zone, we will use various techniques, various confirmation methods to take cell entries. As I told you before, we will learn all the different entry patterns, confirmation patterns in upcoming sessions. It's same as before, same as engulfing by zone, but just change the color of candles. There we need a bearish candle which needs to be engulfed by a bullish candle. Here we need a bullish candle which needs to get engulfed by a bearish candle. Now this is a valid example for engulfing cells. I will also show you some examples on charts. Here is a very good example for engulfing cell. As you can see, the price reached the sell zone and dropped from here. We don't take sell entries directly from here. We will learn some entry patterns and we will use the entry patterns here to take sell trade here. I'm just showing you an example. Here is an engulfing cell candlestick pattern, meaning this is called simple engulfing cell zone. I will show you some more examples. Here we have a different example for engulfing cell. The complete green candle got engulfed by a red candle. This is an example for engulfing cell. I will show you some more examples. Here we have a different example. This is also a valid engulfing cell. There is one important thing I need to tell you. Here we have a doji. We have a green doji which got engulfed by a red candle. Here technically this is valid, but Marking doji is dangerous and it's risky in engulfing theory. So what we do in these situations is, if there is a, this is, as you can see, this is a green doji. We should see the candle beside the doji. Here we have another green candle beside doji. In this situation, we should mark the candle which is beside the doji. Now this is a valid engulfing cell. We did not mark doji because we can't determine whether it is used for sell or buy. So we mark the candle which is beside the doji. If this particular candle was a red candle, we would not have marked it. But since the candle beside the doji is a green candle, we will use this candle instead of doji to mark engulfing cell zone. Here is another example for engulfing cell. Now I will show you some examples for invalid cell. शेयर बताइए कौन सा मैच Here you can see there are two bearish candles which try to engulf the green candle, which is bullish candle, but they failed to do so. The red candle could not close below the green candle, meaning they could not engulf the green candle. So this is an invalid engulfing cell. We only call it a valid engulfing cell when the body, not the wicks, when the body of red candle closes below the low of green candle. Then we can call it a valid engulfing cell. This is another example for invalid engulfing cell. Here, although the wicks are lower than the lowest point of green candle, we need body to close below the lowest point of green candle. Not the wicks, but the body of red candle needs to be close below the green candle. Only then we will call it an engulfing cell, a valid engulfing cell. I hope you guys have learned what is engulfing buy zone, what is engulfing sell zone in this particular session. If you have any doubts regarding it, you can comment on comment section. I will clear it. Thank you.